2 to the power 4 divided by 8 times 3 minus 2. Hello seniors, can you solve within 10 seconds? Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Here as we can see, we have three operations, this division, multiplication and subtraction, and also an exponent part which is 2 to the power 4. And to solve this, we will use order of operations PEMDAS. This is very tricky math question for many, but many are solving it correctly. We will follow a step-by-step method. So first preference will be the parenthesis. P stand for parenthesis, but there are no parentheses, so we will go to exponent. So here exponent part is 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 2 we are there, all are in multiplications. So 2 times 2 which equals to 4, and 4 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 will be 8, and 8 times 2 will be 16. So 2 to the power 4 will be 16. So we can simply write the value here, which is 16, and we can put value here 16 divided by 8 times 3 minus 2. Now many are solving like they are doing this subtraction operation first, and they will get this multiplication, and at last they will go for this division. Either you will get the same answer, but always follow order operations, so we'll never get failed in any of the problem. Okay, so here as we can see, there are three operations: division, multiplication and subtraction. Out of those, this division and multiplication have the same priority, and subtraction have the lower priority. And as we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. So to solve this math problem, we have to solve left to right throughout this problem. Okay, so out of that, first we will solve this division part. To get the answer, we have to divide 16 divided by 8, and this will give result 2 here. So we can write 2 times 3 minus 2. Now again, we have to multiply this part. 2 times 3, which equals to 6, and we will rewrite minus 2 there, and again 6 minus 2, this will give result 4, which is the right answer for this math problem. And if you are seniors, then must subscribe us for brainstorming maths and like this video. Thanks for watching.